Welcome to the Best Picks. The best contour gauge is probably one of the most underrated tools in any toolbox, especially if you're tackling projects with curves and irregular shapes. Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, this simple yet ingenious device can save you tons of time and frustration by accurately transferring complex profiles onto your materials. It's a must-have for anyone looking to achieve precise and professional-looking results in their projects. Number 5. Saker 5-inch contour gauge, perfect for DIY. This is the perfect tool for anyone who loves DIY projects. It's designed to help you duplicate shapes with precision and ease. It's a must-have for any handyman. The Saker contour gauge is ideal for fitting tiles, laminate, and more. It's perfect for winding pipes, circular frames, and other irregular shapes. This tool makes your work easier. You can adjust the tightness to fit your needs. Once you've contoured the object, lock the teeth in place. This ensures perfect traces every time. Made of high-quality ABS plastic, this gauge is strong and durable. It's also rust-proof, ensuring it lasts. It's easy to carry around. Simply press the gauge against the shape you want to copy. Then, trim the outline and cut it out. It's that simple to use. This tool is great for woodworking, auto body work, and more. It accurately transfers shapes to the material you're working with. It's a versatile tool for any project. What we like. This contour gauge features an adjustable and locking mechanism, ensuring precise shape duplication every time. It's made of durable ABS plastic, making it a reliable tool for various projects. If you're working on woodworking, auto body, or any project requiring contour duplication, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This contour gauge is a must-have for anyone doing woodworking or home improvement projects. It is very easy to use and provides accurate measurements. The gauge is made of durable materials and should last for a long time. Number 4. Saker contour gauge, precise shape duplication tool. This Saker contour gauge is designed for various shapes. It's ideal for fitting tiles, laminate, and more. It's a useful tool for many applications. You can adjust the tightness of this gauge. Once you've contoured an object, lock it in place for perfect traces every time. This feature ensures accuracy. The contour gauge is made of high-quality ABS plastic. It's high-strength, rust-proof, and durable. It's also portable, making it easy to use on the go. This gauge comes in 5-inch and 10-inch sizes. Simply press it onto the shape you want to measure. Then, trim the outline and cut it into shape. This tool is used to locate profiles or edges and transfer them to the material. It's perfect for woodworking, auto body work, and any job requiring contour duplication. It's a must-have for any DIY project. What we like. With its precise shape duplication capabilities and adjustable locking feature, this contour gauge ensures accurate measurements. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, it's built to last. If you are a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for a reliable tool for fitting tiles, laminate, or any irregular shapes, you should consider it. What people say. Product works well. I'm a DIY guy and anyone who is looking at this could cut whatever you're working on without this, but now there is now wasting product on a bad cut and saves me a lot of time. I bought this to use on some rounded corners and it worked great. Locked in the measurement and was able to create a perfect fit. The teeth slide smoothly to capture curves, then the little thumb lock clamps everything so the profile doesn't wiggle while you move to the workpiece. I traced the outline straight onto 18mm ply and sent it through the jigsaw, the panel dropped in first try, no filler, no swearing. Number 3. RAK 10-inch contour gauge, perfect gift for men. Looking for a great gift? This is it. This RAK contour gauge is perfect for anyone who loves to build or create. It's a thoughtful present they'll truly appreciate. Duplicating shapes is now a breeze. Just press it against an object, lock it, and trace. It's that simple to get the perfect outline every time. With 182 thin teeth, this tool copies shapes with incredible accuracy. It smoothly contours to any shape, ensuring a perfect cut. This will make your work easier. This tool is great for many projects. Use it for carpentry, flooring, tile work, or auto body repair. It's a handy addition to any toolbox. The locking feature ensures greater accuracy. Once set, it provides stability and consistency. This feature makes the tool even more reliable. What we like. This contour gauge is incredibly easy to use, making shape duplication a breeze. Its surgical precision, combined with a strong locking feature, guarantees accurate results. If you are looking for a gift for a DIY or someone who loves home improvement, this is the perfect tool for them. What people say. Perfect for copying irregular shapes, like that weird crown molding the previous homeowner installed while presumably blindfolded. Locking mechanism actually works, unlike my promises to finish the project this weekend. Great for woodworking template and when tiling curved areas. Number 2. General Tools 6 Contour Gauge Angle Finder. This tool instantly copies any shape. It's perfect for woodworking, tile flooring, and linoleum installation. It replicates detailed moldings and matches cutouts around door casings and pipes. With 35 leaves per inch, it accurately records the cross-sectional shape of any surface. It measures profiles up to 3 inches deep, eliminating the need to guess irregular shapes' dimensions. It features rust-resistant, stainless steel pins for long-lasting performance. This template tool offers greater precision than plastic teeth. Ruler markings on the body are in 1-inch increments. It's ideal for measuring moldings, duplicating spindles, and copying curves. You just press its teeth onto an outline and trace. This makes your work much easier. General Tools has been a leader in DIY tools for years. They encourage craftspeople and DIYers to work smarter. This tool helps you measure better and increase productivity. What we like. This tool excels at precise shape duplication, thanks to its ultra-thin pins. It's perfect for corner trim and various contour matching jobs. If you're working on home improvement projects, like installing tile flooring or matching cutouts around pipes, it will be your best partner. What people say. It creates a near-perfect replica of the shape you need. The metal rods are tight but not too tight. The pins are solid enough that they stay in place so that you can move from your measurement to your drawing board or work table without fear of losing the design. Number 1. Zozen 2-Pack Contour Gauge with Lock. This contour gauge features an engraved scale that won't fade or wear out. The durable ABS plastic body ensures it's sturdy and long-lasting. This tool makes measuring and cutting much easier. The built-in lock prevents accidental shape changes. It holds the shape perfectly, allowing you to accurately transfer it. Lock the gauge teeth for perfect traces every time, ensuring no movement. This gauge is perfect for measuring irregular items like pipes and corners. It's ideal for fitting tiles, laminate, and more. Please use it carefully to avoid injury. The shape duplicator offers high precision, with needles down to 0.05 inches. Simply push it against the object to match the contour, then lock the shape. This allows for accurate duplication and transfer. This profile copy tool works well for copying irregular shapes. It creates an instant template for curved profiles with ease. It's smooth to push and simple to use. What we like. This contour gauge features an engraved scale design that won't fade, ensuring long-term usability. It also includes a lock to maintain the shape, and provides high-precision profile copying. If you are looking for a tool that offers both accuracy and durability for your projects, it is the one you need. What people say. The locks work pretty good and it holds the contour well. The two sizes at 10 and 6 work well together. Work great, easy to use with good stability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.